What's up YouTube? It's upgrade time for Vatos 9156. So this is the Xinlehong Q903, the big version. I love it very much. So here are a bunch of parts, guys. So it's a Wheelie Bar, a cooling fan with a holder, and some nice shocks, some oil shocks, some huge wheels. Man, I love them. Basher wheels, they're pre-glued. I like them very much. Most of the parts are from ZD Racing. Yeah, so let's start first with the wheels, guys. As you can see in the comparison, they look very much more big, but they aren't that much bigger. So you can see it's more of diameter, more of the weight. But yeah, that looks super cool. I love it so much, and for sure some color upgrades with the Hexnuts. I love that style, guys. Yes, that looks nice, and for sure from the stock to the upgrade ones looks super nice. Yes, guys, the next part will be the shock absorbers. So let's start first in the rear. Super easy. And as you can see, the lengths are nearly identical, so it will fit superb. But let me show you one thing. So on the upper screw, it's like the same from the stock ones, but so here's the part from the stock ones, but we can't put the new one in, so we need to drill it. So this here is a 2mm drill. We need to drill a little hole and put some screws in. Super easy, no big deal. So we don't take the second pair of shock absorbers in the rear, and so we have some screws left. So here are they, and yeah, but you need for the front, we need a second one. So I guess you have somewhere laying around some screws from a pair of shocks. So let's drill some holes. So let's make a little thread with a screw, so it's easier later to put the screws in. Let me show you. So here it is, fits perfect. Yeah, I will use some washers to make a little gap so that the upgrade shocks are a little bit bigger in diameter so that they won't touch. So let me show you. So these are 2mm and I have 3mm. So let me try to show you guys, so hopefully you can see it. Yeah, so here's a little millimeter so it won't touch the arms. That's what I wanted to. Yeah, it works super like it should be. So let us do the same to all the other shocks, and we've done mostly.
Don't forget to hit the like button, and if you like what we do, please subscribe.
Yes, works perfect. Let's go for the Wheelie Bar, guys. Super cool, super easy. I'll show you how to assemble it. Man, how easy and how super cool is this wheelie bar, really. Some parts and fits like out of factory. Man, I love it. Yes guys, the last part is the heatsink. So 2 fans with the holder, yeah, 2 JST plugs, so I will connect them to one, some soldering, or you can put them together easily. But yeah, we need a little bit of work, so you can see it won't feel like we want it to, but I will show you. Yeah, I will put it something like this so that it can cool the EC also. So he has a little bit of disassembling, so all the screws in the back and in the front there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so that we can lift the upper plate a little bit up so we can get on the heatsink, the original one. So as you can see, the stock one is a little bit glued or some cooling paste. I don't know where to say. So let's put a new one. Yeah, it fits perfect. So it's now on your turn. So if you cut a little bit of the shell of the car from the body, or like I will do, so yeah, take a little bit of a part out. So as you can see, it's the same, should fit the same, but we have these cooling ribs and we want to put it like this. So yeah, we need to cut a little bit. So I want to cut from the heatsink, so 1, 2, 3, yeah, 3 like this part. It's super easy. Yes, but we need to get rid of these ribs also, so about 6, something like this here. So it's a try from me, and yeah, that's how it looks like. And I need to cut this in the end also because of the plastic from the hole on the motor. So I will show you this one here, so that it can fit slightly. So, and again guys, so you can make it like me, cut from the heatsink, or you can cut from the shell, what is easier to you or what you prefer to do. So let's make from these 2 JST plugs only one, and this is my FPV UBC 5 volts down converter. So I have this on most of my bikes, so you can power it from the balance plug from your Lipo, and I love this style. So here's the balance plug, as you can see. It's the FPV converter, so these are the parts stock, so we need to change one from the JST plugs because it's male to female, and as you can see, yeah, we need both of them to female. So, but you can solder everything together. You can also adjust, there's a wheel to more volts output, and I like these parts, so they work super easy. So guys, let's put all the screws back again, in back and in front, and yeah, we're done. Yes, they're spinning and work like they should. So let's test our beast on the street for all the upgrades. So 46 kilometers on 3S, so let's bash this thing. Hope you enjoyed the video, so please like, share, subscribe guys, and it will be a pleasure to see you next week.